In this video, I will show you how you can create a QR code on your Instagram account. So guys, it's really easy. It will take you a couple of seconds. And if you don't know for what reason a QR code is, basically you can use it on Instagram. So simply you can scan it or you can have it on your phone, and simply if somebody wants to follow you, you can show them QR code, they will scan it, and basically they will not have to write your username to follow you, right? So it's simple and quick method to basically get followers. All right, so basically the first step what you need to do here is to click on your channel picture that is on a bottom right corner, and then what you need to do here is to press on these three horizontal lines that is on a top and top right corner, and then you need to press QR code. And as you can see here, this is my QR code, and you can change in color by simply tapping on color. As you can see here, I can change it whatever you want. And if we basically press on color, you can select the emoji if you want to basically have QR code with emojis, and you can basically put whatever emoji you want. And there is another one is a selfie. Basically you will have your face with these glasses, and it will be on the QR code. All right, so the last step what you need to do here, when you basically pick your background, you need to save it, or you can print it, show to your friends, show to other people, and basically they will scan your QR code, and basically they can follow you. All right, so they do not need to put your username if they want to follow you. All right, so that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.